All right, everyone, I got a new starter for my truck, so I am going to attempt to put it in myself. Wish me luck. First, I disconnected the battery so no one gets electrocuted. And then I had to jack up the truck real good, jack it up real good. Watched a YouTube video to make sure I knew what I was doing, even though I had no idea what I was doing. I removed the electrical bolts and then I removed the mounting bolts, and those bolts gave me some trouble. Anyway, this is me putting the new starter on, securing those mounting bolts real tight, and then getting the electric hooked back up, and getting that little screw on. Okay, and then I prayed to the Jeebus. Come on, baby, come on, baby.